And what happens if we want to keep going? We want to keep adding complexity. We want a much more dynamic way of changing wells, of visualizing data. Well, Python gives us several libraries, several open source libraries. So Dash, which is a very robust library to, as like a web server, we are going to be able to visualize several columns, several plots. This is, for example, the Dash workflow, which again we give the Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, our credentials, the token of our session, and we create, in this case, the workflow or the function that creates and updates the Dash. We go into this web server local directory, and we are going to get something like this. We change the well, and as you can see, dynamically, it will fetch the data and it will plot several graphics regarding, in this case, the oil rate, the water rate, and the information that we want. Of course, we can do several data wrangling. We need to do several steps in order to make sure that the data is being correctly uploaded. Unfortunately, in this case, this is my mistake. Into the workflow, I did a misstep in the consume or the calculate the cumulative. Let's remember that the open data, in much cases, you don't have all the data required to Alana, but if you kind of code a complete workflow, you will be able to get data such as cumulatives, gas oil ratio, water oil ratio, and so on and so forth. In this case, the oil cumulative looks funny, looks wrong. So this is something I need to correct, right? But I think you guys can see that this is quite impressive, how easy and how manageable, and the different tools that we are being able to use using Python, the Python extensions or Python libraries. So I think that that would be all from myself. Any questions? Any comments you guys want to add?